Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see what is encapsulation in Python OOPS concept. So there is a feature called encapsulation. So this is nothing but privacy of the code. So we want to protect the code, then we'll use encapsulation. Okay. So let us explore that. Let us take a class bank account. Okay, so we'll declare a initial variable with a function definition. Okay, init self balance. Okay, equal to self dot balance equal to balance. Okay, so when you declare like this a variable balance, then if you come out of the class and print it, okay, let us declare a object. Okay, so object is account equal to bank account, let's say 1,000 rupees. Okay, then print. Okay, account dot balance. Okay, so let us see the output. So it's 1,000. Okay, guys. So this is a normal declaration of balance where there is no protection of the account balance. For example, if I change the balance like this, account dot balance. Okay, account balance equal to, let's say, minus 999, then it will take. Okay, it's a spelling wrong here. Account dot balance equal to minus 999, and let's say the output. So minus 999. So account balance has changed. So we don't want that. We want to protect the balance. Okay. So to uh, protect the balance, we have to declare it as a private variable. Okay. So underscore underscore. Okay. Balance equal to balance. Then if you print underscore underscore balance, okay, let's see what happens. It says bank account object has no attribute balance. That means we can't access that variable outside the class, so it is protected. Okay, so how to get the balance? Then we have to define a function get balance, right? So that, so we want to extract balance, we have to define a function or method called balance. Okay, self. Okay, return. Okay, return self dot balance, right? So if you print, so this is giving error, right? So we have to change it to account dot get balance. Okay, so let's see the output 1,000. So for example, if you change something here, okay, using underscore balance, okay, it is changing here to minus 999. Even though our balance get balance gives the correct output. So that is the production of our balance by using encapsulation and OOPS concept. Okay, hope you like this video. Okay, and one more feature we'll see. So we are getting the balance by get balance. For example, you want to change the balance. That also we have to do with the definition of a method. Okay, let's say deposit. Okay, deposit self. Let's say it. Okay, it's a deposit amount. Okay, so return self dot underscore underscore balance plus debt, right? So this returns the balance after adding the deposit. Okay, so let us see the output. Print account, okay, dot deposit, okay, deposit. So here we have to mention a deposit, let's say 500 rupees. Okay, so let's see the output. So we have to get 1000 and 1500 as output. Let's see. Okay, so that is the encapsulation in Python oops. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching.